Hey everybody, I'm Rick here at InfoComm 2024 with Joris from
Lumens Europe.
Lumens Europe. Excellent. And we're here at booth number
Central 8757.
Excellent. And here we are. One of the features that we're going to show today is the Lumens CamConnect Pro integration with Yamaha, and we are showing off the Yamaha RMW mic series. And so what we have here is two tabletop mics, and we are going to demonstrate how when both mics are muted, we have a home position for our camera. However, if Joris...
Hello everybody and welcome to this demonstration.
We got to switch over there. And now I'm going to kick on my microphone and I'm going to be talking from this side and the camera switches to me. Now, but the thing is that in a normal conference room conversation, we are usually talking with each other. So,
well, if I now start talking, my mic is on and still Rick's microphone is on, but you see that the camera moved to me.
And of course, I'm going to be over here and I'm going to say my piece, and of course the camera jumps back to me. Now, when the conversation ends, it automatically goes to a home position. We're both going to mute these microphones, wait just a few seconds, and we'll go right back to a home position. And this is the beauty of CamConnect Pro, easy integration with Yamaha RMW series, RMTT series, and of course their amazing ceiling mics. Come and see us at booth number
Central 8757.
We'll see you here.